Welcome to McLean South Shore, a beautiful community in Belmont, North Carolina, near the shores of Lake Wylie. Discover spacious executive home sites nestled within tree preserves, providing a serene backdrop for your dream home. Enjoy the proximity of Lake Wylie, just across the road, offering picturesque views and endless recreational possibilities. Drift Restaurant and Morningstar Marina are within walking distance, making every day a waterfront experience on Charlotte's oldest lake. Located only 11 miles from Charlotte Douglas International Airport, McLean South Shore ensures easy travel connections for your convenience. Explore the charm of downtown Belmont with its great restaurants and shops, and a 30-minute drive to uptown Charlotte. Unwind at the community clubhouse and swimming pool, creating a social hub for residents to connect and enjoy. McLean South Shore offers a variety of floor plans, ensuring your dream home becomes a reality while maximizing your ability to customize your living space. Keystone offers the assistance of friendly, experienced professionals who are here to guide you through every step of your home building journey. McLean South Shore, where luxury meets natural beauty. Your new chapter begins here.